In this video, I'm going to show you the map screen of the nuvi 54LM and similar models, and I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with it. So let's go into our map screen. Inside here, it's pretty straightforward. We've got some data bars down there. This data bar accesses our trip computer, and this one here, if we push it, we can access other data fields. We could change it to like elevation. We could browse the map by just dragging our finger across the map. It's going to throw it into a 2D map mode. And now we can move the map all over the place. And if we want to know what something is, we could tap the map screen. So if we want to know what this road is in here, it's Sandstone Drive Northwest. And we could, tap other places on the map and find information about it. We could save a point to our favorites by hitting save from the map, and it's going to mark pretty much the tip of that mouse icon. We could zoom in and out by using the plus and minus on the right hand side here. And down in this corner here we have our map scale indicator. That icon right there, that's a favorite. That's why it's showing up as a heart. We could actually change our favorite icons, but I left that one as a default. And if we touch it, it's going to tell us what it is. So that favorite is Country Hills Golf Club. If we go back to this screen here, we could actually add data bars along the side here. And to do that, we need to go into Settings, Map, scroll down, and then go Standard, but select More Data. Now when we go back to our map screen, we have more data fields located along the right, which is fine. It does take up a bit of your map real estate here, but you listen to the voice instructions and not watch the map, so it doesn't really matter. When you glance over, some of this info may be very important to you. Let's put in a route and see what happens. So we can go back and go into our Where To menu and then go Points of Interest, Recently Found, or so on. Let's just do Recently Found. It makes it a little quicker. And we'll go Country Club of the Ham. There we go, and we'll go to it. Now we have a pink line that we're going to follow.
Please drive to highlighted route.
If we touch this top bar up here, it's going to bring up some more information. It's got all our turns in a turn list, and we could cycle through them by using the arrows here. We could show our whole route on the map by hitting Show Map at the bottom. And in the top right corner, you'll see the time. It's going to take about 14 minutes, 53 seconds, and it's about 14 kilometers away from our current location. Our start location's that green flag, and the end location is the checkered flag. And to get out of here, we could just hit back and then back again. If we touch one of the turns in our turn list, it'll bring up kind of a bird's eye view of that turn, so we can verify, if we're going on an interstate or an intersection, stoplights, whatever it may be, you could identify your turn much better. And if there's a junction view available, you'll be able to touch the junction view button at the bottom. And you could cycle through each turn by using the arrows, and it's going to tell you the time to that turn and the distance. Hit the back arrow to get out of here. And we're back at the map screen. So that was a quick introduction to the map screen and some of the things you can do through it.